waiting on Santa's sleigh. What would I wish for Christmas? And if Frosty the Snowman were melting away, I would pray for hope and unity on Christmas Day. If I had one wish for Christmas, there would be joy and peace here on earth. If I had one wish for Christmas this year, we would all come together as one. And Rudolph and his reindeer ran into delays. I still hope for joy this season, yeah. And if somehow Santa got lost on his way, I would try to find a way to smile, smile on Christmas Day. Oh, if I had one wish for Christmas, there would be joy